This video is sponsored by Single Point Solution. Single Point is pioneer in production and distribution of electric vehicles like electric bikes, electric scooters and three-wheelers. Single Point also provide consulting services to small F players.
Hello friends, I am Kanchan from Akulmac Technologies and welcome to our usual show. We will be discussing about World Heart Day, which was on 29th September and just passed by. And to discuss more about it, I'm joined by Sitesh Srivastava, who is from a background of sales and marketing. He is also a colleague from of my radio broadcasting show. So welcome to the show, Sitesh. How are you doing in this COVID area? And that too, when we are creating, we have our own heart to take care, and we are creating awareness about the health of the heart.
Thank you, Kanchan. A great day to you as well. And this pandemic has basically brought us to so much closer to our own body, our own health,
Right.
and more of a fear rather than more of a fact. But how have you been?
Yeah, I'm perfectly fine. It's good. I'm taking care of my health, and yeah, I think I'm just being just fine, very fine.
Great. So, Kanchan, this topic of World Heart Day is important. Everything starts and ends with the heart. The interesting part in our Indian subcontinent is also we have so much to be said in poetry, and to the tune to the volume of where sometimes we feel poetry has become uh, the prescription for the heart.
Right.
And therefore it is important for us to understand the World Heart Day significance, especially when our Indian food is so rich, and the way of cooking the Indian food versus the way it is propagated from the West that we see today. The importance of heart and the health situations related to the heart is becoming more important. But I would like to ask you, is there one perfect way of taking care of the heart? What do you think?
Yeah, I think that's very crucial point we have to take care, because heart is a vital organ and it has to be taken care on daily basis. Now, we can take care by regularly going for checkups. We can take care by, maybe if you have little stress on your heart, you should immediately consult your doctor. And then creating awareness about the heart health in the family, among the community, and likewise people will take it seriously. And then diet is also plays a vital role. A part of this, if you see, these are the crazy times and we are undergoing a pressure. There's an employment pressure, there's a family pressure due to COVID. So I think the way out is that you should follow, maybe it's a little suggestion, a kind of a creative activity to keep you engaged, and that will, I think, help your heart. I wonder that in love affair, how one lover gives one's heart to other partner to take care. So rather, my suggestion is that you take care of your heart and ask your partner to take care of your his or her heart. So what do you say?
My goodness, Kanchan, this is so interesting. I mean, Ghalib would be turning in his grave, and lot of romantic lyricists of Bollywood would become uncomfortable. But you are very right. You are very right, very to the point. Each one to its own. Yeah, and when it comes to the matters of heart, from a biological perspective, it is very important to keep doing a checkup for that, keep lowering down the stress levels, and especially the stress and the depression is a silent enemy, and it is very late to discover. Sometimes family members also are unable to identify. And another big culprit is the food. the way we prepare food, the way we consume food, and then the science around bad cholesterol, good cholesterol, and the advertisements like Saffola, uh, ki- you know, those are the things where it is people become confused about the health of the heart versus the products at hand, uh, exercise, regular exercise. But when I have a problem with an exercise, because what is being proposed is something like a soldier's regimen. If you go to the gym, you have to do 10,000 walks, 10,000 kilometers of treadmill. Nowadays, we have some health watches on our wrists to calculate our number of steps taken. And there is so much technology, so much of information available. So it is important to take a step back and realize what is good for the individual, and that needs to be taken care of. And it is not one thing, what I feel. It is a combination of things that needs to be practiced on a daily basis. There can be good things in the Western diet, there can be good things in our Indian diet, and then we are overwhelmed by different kinds of diet, Kanchan. I don't know how many kinds of diets are available nowadays. Each nutritionist, and there are that many number of diets. So we have to figure out what is best for us. And I would say every 6 months, at least, especially for the people above 35, a heart checkup is important. What do you say?
Yes, I feel you have to take care of your heart in terms of you can go for walking. Walking is a very, very good exercise. And you have to take care of your diet also. Like we take up very happily the potato chips and desserts and cakes, and we love, and though they are lovely in taste, and we feel like eating and over and over again, and sometimes you end up maybe extra eating of these things. But I think you should lower down this consumption of these kind of food items. You should go take up more fruits, uh, more water, berries. So all this will help in your heart. And in case if you have any problems, like if you have a little ache, and if you have you have breathing problems, so I think that you will be you should consult the doctor. And while consulting your doctor, you should also take up a lifestyle. So I think all lifestyle is very, very important. So now when in Indian system we say you get up early, so I think the best and best time is to get up maybe at 5, between 5 to 6, and you just take up some breathing exercise, and then take up maybe water, warm water. So all this is clean your vessels. It will create a healthy lifestyle. And go for sleep. Don't watch TV too much, sitting at one place. So go to sleep a little early. And if you follow this lifestyle, you can also propagating this lifestyle in the family. And you can also see that your community around, people around you will also will follow eventually, sooner or later.
I have two things to say, Kanchan, on this. One is about the lifestyle that you mentioned. And of course, lifestyle is something that is, again, is not standard across the families. Let's talk about the individuals. Then individual will say for everyone it is different. Let's talk about the basic unit of a family where the lifestyles can be changed accordingly, the food habits, the diet, the exercise. And I think very important point about lifestyle is to feel happy. We feel sad for some things which are not even related to us. You open a news channel and you start feeling unhappy or sadness for somebody who is not related to you.
Right.
And throughout with the advent of 24 hours news channels, that is always the case. And health, heart is something that is very closely related to the happiness part of it.
Right.
And important part to understand in this pandemic situation is that happiness is a state of mind. And that state of mind can be achieved by talking, by opening up the, what we call heart to our family members, to seek advice. We don't need doctoral advice every day,
Right.
but need lifestyle advice.
Right.
And slowly we can achieve. And then, somebody is ahead in that race. Somebody is behind in the race. Somebody has not yet started in that race. And therefore, it becomes a challenge when somebody starts propagating it, almost like putting a gun on the head. We cannot do that. So heart is something that I think is that kind of organ which needs not only a biological checkup or a diet, it also needs a lifestyle and exercise at the same time. But happiness, laughter, talking out, being vocal about what one wants to say, all that adds to the alternative healing of the heart. So in terms of heart, if there is someone who takes medicine for it, so it is important to take the medicine without getting a fear of it. People say, I am a heart patient, or I had a bypass, a double bypass. It is important to know that once a bypass, because of the advancement in the medical technology, a bypass is not something, a clock ticking. It is something that a procedure has been done. A person can lead a healthy life with certain things not doing it. So I think it is important to understand all of these, gym, walking, and diet, everything around as a holistic balance, and no one thing is perfect. I would also take this opportunity, Kanchan, to tell our young girls of India who have been taught पति के दिल का रास्ता पेट से होके जाता है.
Right.
Adds to problems. So please, like you said, Kanchan, you take care of your heart and I take care of my heart.
Yeah, so I conclude today's discussion by a few points that you should, anybody who's having a heart problem, or anybody who's not having a heart problem, they should take care of their bodies with exercise, eating less, don't overeat, take care of your heart, eat right for your health, and create awareness on this heart related problems. Or if you have any problem, please seek help of people around you, or seek help of doctors who are available to help you. So it was interesting talking to you, Suresh. So we'll meet next episode.
I'm happy that we speak our hearts out every day and take care of our hearts.
Yes, true. So we'll meet next episode. Till then, bye-bye. You take care.